Back with the John Deere 110. Today we're going to be replacing the oil in the transaxle. So let me show you where the plugs are underneath the tractor. There we go, the drain plug and the fill plug. So I'm going to drain the oil and then undo the top plug here for the fill it up, and should be good to go. It's fairly easy to do. I have loosened this bolt already, and let's see if the oil comes out. Hopefully it doesn't make a mess here. Wow, it definitely needed changing. It looks like. Now that the oil is pretty much drained, put the plug back in. Tighten it up. Loosen the top plug for the fill. Now that the fill plug is out, what I'm going to do is use this hand pump to transfer the oil from the jug here into the transmission. So one end of this goes into the bottle here, and then the other one into the transaxle. So let's see. The oil's pretty thick, so it's gonna go slow. What I'll do is put you under the tractor here so you can see when the oil starts coming out. Alright, I think that's it. Now that the oil has started to come out, I think we're full. I'm just gonna let it drip out like that a little bit, just to make sure we don't have too much in there. And then we'll put the plug back in and we should be good to go. Alright, now that the oil has pretty much stopped coming out of the fill hole, I'm gonna put the plug back in. Tighten it up. There we go. So that's how you change your oil in the transaxle on the John Deere 110. Not too bad really. 2 plugs, drain, fill, and you're good to go. See you in the next one.